Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the beautiful Remy. This is in Frisco, Texas. I'm looking at their one bedroom. I've already done part one video to show you this one bedroom in the living room and kitchen. Now I'm gonna walk into the bedroom. So let's see this right now. Oh, this is really cool. It's got a barn door to kind of close this off. Very cool. And this is what the bedroom looks like. That's a queen size bed. Really cool features, look and feel. By the way, man, ceilings are probably 13 feet at least, super tall. This is on the first floor. So if you like tall ceilings, try to grab one that's on the first floor that looks like this. This is the shower, bathroom area. And this is what it looks like in here. Super cool. Same thing, really tall ceilings. And then this is your shower. It's really nice. Very nice, actually. And this is your walk-in closet. So the walk-in closet, wow, it's pretty good. It's got a lot of storage. This goes super high too, so you can really stack things and get a lot in there. So pretty nice closet in my opinion. And then we're gonna go outside and take a look at it, and here's what it looks like again. Really super pretty. Just it's easy to get in and around. I like that you can get in that bathroom too without for guests without them going through your bedroom. So that's pretty cool as well. Hey, a really nice apartment here, really lofty, super tall at the Remy. If you would like a specialized virtual tour that's personalized for you, send me a text, just use the number below and just say, hey Grant, I really like this. I'd like to see more of the Remy and maybe see something that fits my move-in date. Send me a text and I'll make that happen for you right away. It's free. It's always part of our free service. And hey, why drive over here when you can just have a personalized tour given to you, over Zoom or FaceTime or something like that? So go ahead and send that right away and we'll get that taken care of for you.